Yeah, we're back under a rainy pattern here. We have seen a lot of dry time this week, but that is coming to a change here as we head into it. Hey, do you want to share this awesome photo of a hummingbird caught out in Washougal? Daryl shot this. Thank you for sharing this. I caught this in our bank of weather photos and just had to share. Hummingbirds are so cute, and this is an excellent photo. So nice job and thank you. This was taken right after Christmas. So again, about 6 weeks old. You can see some of that freezing rain and sleet that we saw on the trees there. That's why this is such an awesome photo. So thank you, Daryl, for sharing this. Such a cute bird that you caught in nature. Now, as we start this morning, we are still cold in some spots down in Salem and around the valley. A lot of areas here in the low to mid 30s, so still close to freezing, but we are warming things up. This is much better than the mid 20s and upper 20s that we've seen the last couple of mornings. Also, major improvements, warmer out towards the coast as well. We're down in the low 40s this morning, and Portland, one of the warmest spots so far around the valley, sitting in the low 40s this morning. Still dry at this time too, but we are tracking some changes here. Some lighter showers shifting in mainly up in areas of Washington and out towards the coastline. Here's our next weather system. This is a low that is spinning counterclockwise offshore. That center of low pressure and a nice warm front here. The cold front will swing into Oregon going into today. So we should be under some rain showers as we head into our morning time. Most of the rain is shifting up towards the north and will likely just miss us, but we'll get hit by some lighter showers within this system as we head into our morning and across the afternoon. So let's time things out here. Here's one weather model, our Futurecast, that will time out the rain. The coast may see some lighter showers shifting in closer to maybe 7, 8 o'clock in the morning time. In the valley, we are still dry around that hour, but heading into 9, 10 o'clock, we'll start to see those rain showers arrive. So I do think around 10 o'clock, that'll likely be our rainiest moment of the day as more of this rain shifts in. We then start to break apart those showers and see more of those showers in a scattered nature. So spottier showers, still some dry moments paired with these showers here going into the afternoon. So if you are having any outdoor activities today, I do think we will see some dry moments, but do watch out for these showers. That'll be hit or miss heading into our afternoon. Same for Saturday morning, then we dry right back out. So much of Saturday could be pretty dry and mainly cloudy. So there will be some nice moments on Saturday to get outside and avoid the rain. Then heading into Sunday, we'll see yet another system swing in and a cold front pushing back some showers here into Sunday morning and throughout the afternoon too. We'll also see more snowfall up in the Cascades come Sunday too. So more wet weather on the way, but a nice dry break on Saturday first. So here's a look at rain totals as we work our way throughout today. Again, that rain looks pretty light in the valley. We may see around 1/10 of an inch of rain. Not expecting to see a big time soaking today. The coast could see some soggier conditions. Totals may add up to maybe 1/2 inch of rain to 3/4 of an inch of rain. So definitely a lot more of that focused out towards the coastline heading into today and tomorrow morning. But we're drying out much of Saturday again, should stay dry. Then Sunday comes and we could stack up close to 1/3 of an inch of rain by the end of the weekend, maybe around 1 inch out towards the coastline. So still some soggy moments at play here as we head towards our weekend. Now winds will also turn gusty going into today as well. We'll start the morning out with calmer conditions, but as we head towards our afternoon today, maybe after lunch to 3, 4 o'clock, expect to see southerly gusts up to 25 miles per hour here in Portland, and the coastline could see some gusts closer to maybe 40 miles per hour. Then those winds start to die down heading into Saturday. So today for the coast, expect to see the upper 40s to low 50s. Heavier rain showers out there, some soggy moments and gusty winds, some speeds around 35 miles per hour. In Portland and around the valley, back near 50 degrees today. We'll see lighter rain showers and a breeze. If you're heading out to the coast this weekend, we'll keep it showery heading into Saturday and also fairly soggy by Sunday. So keep that rain jacket with you back under this rainy pattern for some soggy conditions out towards the coastline. Now in Portland, we're under off and on rain showers heading into our weekend. I do think Sunday will be our soggiest day of the next handful. Notice temperatures also staying much more mild. We'll see those overnight lows back in the mid 40s and daytime highs staying in the low 50s.